Okay, doggies, let's get on the fort. Come on, get up there on the playground. Come on, get up there. These are my two puppies. They like to get up on the playground and then go down the slide. So there's one. Daisy, get on the fort. Get up there. Come on. Jack, slide. Good boy. Good boy. Get on the fort. Get up there, boy. Get up there. Get up there, Jack. Come on. Get up there. Get on the fort. Let's go. Yeah, sit. Y'all sit down. Sit. Whoops, one of them slid. Sit down, Jack. Sit. Jack. Sit. Sit down, buddy. Sit. Come on, Daisy. You sit down, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Jack, here you go, buddy. Okay, well, let's slide. Yeah. Okay, let's get back up there one more time. Get on the fort. Come on, get on the fort. Get on the fort. We'll get a treat. As you can tell, this is not the first time they've done this. Okay, sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good girl. Good boy. All right, slide. Slide. Okay, sit. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Jack.